By 2035, do we want to be entirely electric? Is doing it right away practical? Well, the two-letter term can simplify the entire conversation. No, a car with zero emissions does not exist. Where are the emissions linked to electric cars, is the actual query. Because using an electric car doesn't completely remove pollution. You export them to another location. To create a single 1,000-pound battery, you must excavate around 500,000 pounds of resources. A battery that can store the energy of 1 barrel of oil requires 100 to 300 barrels of oil to produce. Just producing these batteries will be nearly impossible. The carbon footprint of the battery can be between 10 and 40 tons of CO2. Additionally, the plans that are in place to boost the usage of batteries will necessitate a rise in the production of minerals like lithium, cobalt, and zinc, as well as a 400% to 4,000% increase in demand for those materials. There aren't enough mines in the world to produce enough batteries for all of those people's automobiles. If you like the video, subscribe for more interesting facts like this.